Ensure that those wing-backs push forward.
Suddenly they have possession. Well, how close was that? Inches away. And in the right position to make sure it didn't go all the way through. Mikael Damsgaard. That's a good-looking ball. And there is the goal that gives them a well-merited lead. It had been coming.
Look at this. The through ball's timed to perfection. Just splits the defence. And once it falls to him like that, it's a routine finish. Cool and clinical.
And it's opening up. And they've done it to square the game once again. Exhilarating. Damsgaard. Oh, nice ball over the top. Can he score? Oh, it would have been a spectacular goal on the volley.
Oh, that's a great volley. Catches it sweet. Doesn't miss by much.
Well, doesn't have to do it on his own. Can he put them in front? And opting for power over placement, but not the desired result. So much focus within the team, and completely focused on winning the game now. Oh, reacted so quickly!